Exercise 9. Using your accounting knowledge, fill in the blanks in the following separate income statements, A through E. Letter A asks us to solve for the amount of ending inventory, gross profit, and net income. To solve for ending inventory, let's use the inventory T account. The beginning inventory is $6,831 plus purchases $40,986. Cost of goods sold, our inventory expense, is $40,486. So the amount of our ending inventory is $6,831 plus $40,986 minus $40,486. Ending inventory is $7,331. Sales minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. $71,900 minus $40,486 equals gross profit $31,414. Gross profit minus expenses equals net income or loss. $31,414 minus $9,000 in expenses, net income is $22,414. Letter B asks us to solve for the amount of merchandise purchases and gross profit. To solve for the amount of our purchases, we have beginning inventory $4,542 plus purchases of X minus cost of goods sold $18,027 equals ending inventory $5,142. Solving for X, our purchases are $18,627. Gross profit is sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales of $56,074 minus cost of goods sold, our inventory expense of $18,027 is a gross profit of $38,047. Letter C asks us to solve again for purchases, but also cost of goods sold. Beginning inventory $10,811 plus the amount of our purchases, which at this point are unknown. Ending inventory $12,311 and cost of goods sold also unknown. So for letter C, we have to solve this one working backwards. We know that sales minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. Sales of $51,480 minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit $8,192. $51,480 minus $8,192, cost of goods sold is $43,288. To solve for the amount of the purchases, we have $10,811 plus P, the amount of our purchases, minus $43,288, cost of goods sold, equals $12,311. When we combine the $10,811 and the negative $43,288, we have P minus $32,477 equals $12,311. Adding $32,477 to each side, we determine the amount of our purchases, P equals $44,788. Letter D asks us to solve for sales and cost of goods sold. Beginning inventory is $9,472 plus purchases $43,287 minus the ending inventory $9,097 is cost of goods sold $43,662. Sales minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. So we have S minus $43,662 equals $59,298. Adding $43,662 to each side, we have sales of $102,960. Letter E asks us to solve for ending inventory, gross profit, and net income. Beginning inventory $3,206 plus purchases $11,221 minus cost of goods sold $11,071 equals ending inventory $3,356. Sales minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. Sales $31,126 less cost of goods sold $11,071 equals gross profit $20,055. Gross profit minus expenses equals net income or loss. $20,055 minus $6,100 is net income $13,955.